Hi guys, welcome to Garden of Beautiful Life. So after receiving so many queries about how to grow chrysanthemum, I am doing this video and telling you what tricks and tips I apply to grow these chrysanthemums in my garden. So stay tuned. So the first most important thing about chrysanthemum is the sunlight. So what kind of sunlight you give to chrysanthemum? So you could see that I have got so many buds in my chrysanthemum. So that all depends upon the position of chrysanthemum. Where do you keep it? You have to make sure that chrysanthemum gets bright light throughout the day, but in summers you have to protect this from the harsh afternoon summers. So in summers you have to keep it in partial shade. So that's how chrysanthemum will grow. So the second most important thing about chrysanthemum is their roots. Yes, so chrysanthemum actually their roots grow very fast. So you have to make sure whenever you plant a chrysanthemum, you are planting this in a bigger pot. So even if the plant is small, you have to keep it in a bigger pot for the roots to grow. Otherwise, chrysanthemum starts wilting and dying. So the third most important thing about chrysanthemum is their soil. Yes, you have to make sure that your chrysanthemum has a very well drained and a fertile soil. So to make the soil of chrysanthemum, I have mixed half compost and half soil. So that is how you should make the soil of chrysanthemum. So the next thing is water. So you have seen that I have kept a plate in the downward side of the plant. That is because I give water to chrysanthemum every day to make the soil moist of this plant. So you have to make sure that the soil is never dry, otherwise the chrysanthemum will start wilting. You have to water it every day, but you also have to make sure that the water gets drained out of the plant. The water should never be clogging the plant, otherwise it will die. So these were the basic tips which I use to grow my chrysanthemum. You please try these tips at your home. I am definitely sure that your chrysanthemum will work out quite good. Please subscribe to my channel, please watch my videos, and do let me know if you like them. Thank you.